Welcome to Vox Weather. Like always, let's start with your weekend weather highlights, and there's a lot that went down. Starting with intense tropical cyclone Batsirai that made landfall over Madagascar this past weekend after leaving a trail of destruction in Mauritius and La Reunion. Severe thunderstorms also led to flash flooding, especially on Friday evening in parts of Gauteng. Some areas, as Mamelodi seen behind in the pictures, received close to 100 millimeters in just a few hours. Destructive flooding and extensive flash flooding also reported in Centurion, as well as Hartbeespoort Dam in northwest and on the R30 near Bothaville in the Free State. And Western South Africa is still baking in heat wave conditions, but we are expecting the weather to calm down a little bit the rest of the work week. So let's look at your Tuesday weather forecast. A foggy start to your Tuesday morning for the West Coast, and also foggy patches expected over eastern South Africa. Thankfully, Batsirai weakening and slipping south, completely missing South Africa. Only isolated thunderstorms expected from late afternoon over parts of the Northern Cape as well as northwest. A slight chance of thunderstorms developing over parts of Gauteng. This includes the Highveld, KwaZulu-Natal and the northern as well as the interior of the Eastern Cape. As mentioned, a thick band of fog expected along the west coast on Tuesday morning. Therefore, a foggy start to your day for the mother city. Later, partly cloudy skies with a high of 27 degrees and a mainly light onshore flow blowing. Still heat wave conditions expected in parts of the Winelands as well as the Little Karoo, soaring to 38 degrees during the last day of heat wave conditions in Oudtshoorn. A warm to very warm day for the Southern Cape with maximum temperatures in the upper 20s, soaring to 34 degrees in Adelaide. A mainly moderate northeasterly wind blowing between Port St John as well as East London with a high of 30 expected the afternoon. Only isolated thunderstorms possible over the northern and the interior of the Eastern Cape from late afternoon. A mainly northeasterly wind blowing and turning southerly for KwaZulu-Natal, 27 degrees in Richards Bay. A slight chance of thunderstorms developing over the northern parts. In Mpumalanga, we're expecting 29 degrees in Mbombela, 27 degrees in eMalahleni. Also a slight chance of late afternoon thunderstorms bubbling up here and there. In Limpopo, we are expecting maximum temperatures to soar to 30 degrees the afternoon with a very slight chance of thunderstorms developing. And then in northwest, becoming hot the afternoon, the wind picking up with a few patchy thunderstorms expected over the north as well as the central and eastern parts. It's a mainly dry and later windy day for the southern parts of the Northern Cape. Heat wave conditions will continue to bake the Namakwa District with temperatures in the mid to upper 30s and a few isolated thunderstorms possible over the north. It's a mainly sunny day for the Free State, later becoming partly cloudy, 30 in Welkom and Bloemfontein with a slight chance of thunderstorms from late afternoon. Mainly sunny and partly cloudy later in Gauteng, 27 degrees in Pretoria, also a slight chance of evening thunderstorms on Tuesday. Into Wednesday, mainly sunny, dry and hot in the Northern Cape as well as the central parts of the Western and Eastern Cape. Isolated thunderstorms expected over northeastern South Africa. On Thursday, temperatures in the upper 20s for northwest Gauteng and Limpopo, and due to the heat, very isolated thunderstorms possible from late afternoon. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.